Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're an electronics hobbyist, a field technician, or a professional engineer, having a reliable handheld digital oscilloscope is essential for on-the-go diagnostics and troubleshooting. These compact devices combine portability with powerful features, making them perfect for work in the lab or out in the field. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best handheld digital oscilloscopes available right now. We've selected models that offer exceptional performance, durability, and value, catering to a range of needs and budgets. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and detailed specifications. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Fnery 2C53T Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The Fnery 2C53T is a newly upgraded multi-tool, combining a 2-channel oscilloscope with a 4.5-digit multimeter and signal generator. The oscilloscope boasts 50 MHz bandwidth and 250 MSA/S sampling, with added math, cursor, persistence, and XY modes. Its multimeter handles common electrical measurements, while the signal generator outputs 13 waveforms up to 50 kHz. Featuring a 2.8-inch LCD, one-click save, and PC connectivity, it offers easy waveform analysis. The robust design includes high-voltage protection and a 3000 mAh battery for up to 6 hours of use. Number 4. The i3-in-1 Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The ZOI ZT703S is a versatile handheld oscilloscope, automotive, dual-channel, 50 MHz in a vibrant red, weighing just 380 grams for ultimate portability. As an oscilloscope, it can measure various waveforms including pulse, circular, and noise. Its intelligent auto function automatically recognizes unknown waveforms, boosting measurement efficiency. In multimeter mode, it boasts 25,000 counts, measuring resistance, capacitance, continuity, diodes, and current with high precision. This makes it an ideal, multifunctional tool for diverse electronic measurements. Experience flexibility with 2 operating modes. In normal mode, it offers a 200 MSA/S sampling rate and 30 MHz bandwidth for energy efficiency. Switch to high-speed mode for 280 MSA/S and 50 MHz bandwidth, catering to demanding tasks with its 128K storage depth. The signal generator mode allows storing waveform images and outputting sine, square, and triangle waves, with synchronous display for easy observation and comparison. This significantly expands the device's application. Number 3. PicoScope Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The PicoScope 2000 series offers a comprehensive lab-in-one device. Use the PicoScope 2204A as an advanced oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, function generator, arbitrary waveform generator, and to decode over 30 serial protocols right out of the box. This ultra-compact, USB-powered 2-channel oscilloscope kit includes probes and boasts a 10 MHz bandwidth, 100 ms/s sampling rate, and up to 12 bits resolution. Its PS7 software for Windows, Linux, and Mac provides powerful analysis tools and receives continuous free upgrades. Benefit from lifetime product support and advanced features like mask limit testing and a 10,000 waveform buffer. Number 2. Handtech HO11 Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. Capture every detail with the HO11 oscilloscope, featuring superior 10 MHz bandwidth and 48 MSA/S sampling rate for real-time, precise waveform capture. Its multi-range voltage measurement up to ± 400 V with dual probe attenuation, X1/X10, makes it versatile for high and low voltage testing. Engineered for mobility, this portable, lightweight, 166G, and USB rechargeable device boasts an 1,800 mAh battery and Type-C charging. Monitor signals clearly on the brilliant 2.8-inch TFT full-color display with intuitive navigation. Precision in signal capture is enhanced by advanced edge triggering, auto, normal, and single modes, ensuring reliable performance for fluctuating or intermittent signals. Number 1. Fnery DSO-152 Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. We're checking out the Fnery DSO-152 Mini Oscilloscope, a truly compact and capable tool. It boasts a real-time sampling rate of 2.5 ms/s and a 200 kHz bandwidth, allowing you to analyze a wide range of signals. With the included 10x probe, you can measure up to 800 VPP, making it surprisingly versatile. This oscilloscope is professionally designed with full trigger functions, auto/normal, single, and a clear 2.8-inch HD LCD display. It's incredibly portable, coming as a fully assembled, lightweight device. No fussing with kits. Measuring is made easy with its one-key auto setting, quickly displaying waveforms without tedious adjustments, and a long press calibrates the baseline instantly. Plus, it features a built-in 1000 mAh battery for about 4 hours of continuous use, and the Type-C interface handles both charging and data transfer, even for firmware upgrades. This mini-scope is a powerful tool for hobbyists and pros alike. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.